हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इजी गो आइडिया। और आज मैं आप लोग के लिए बनाने वाली हूँ एक बहुत ही डिलीशियस फॉक्सटेल मिलेट का सैलड। फॉक्सटेल मिलेट सैलड बनाने के लिए मैंने सबसे पहले ये हाफ कप फॉक्सटेल मिलेट लिया था, जिसको कि मैंने ऑलमोस्ट 1 आवर के लिए सोक कर दिया था। आफ्टर सोकिंग व्हाट आई डिड, आई वॉश इट फॉर 2-3 times and remove the water from it. Then I refill the water and then again I soak it for 10-15 minutes and then use that half cup of water for boiling this half cup of foxtail millet. So this is how it will look after boiling. It's hot. Just boil it. So let's and here I have taken, these are spring onion half cup, finely chopped onions half cup, mixed capsicums half cup, then here I have half cup cucumbers finely chopped, half cup tomatoes. Let's add all the ingredients. Let's mix. You can see already how beautiful it looks and colorful, full of nutrients, vitamins, minerals. Now this is the mix of foxtail millet and the veggies. Now we need to make a dressing for this. Let's make dressing. For dressing I have taken 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, salt as per your taste, and 1 clove of garlic, that is minced garlic. Then here I have some coriander leaves chopped and chilies. If you prefer chilies, then only. Then I will add lemon also. So first let's mix the dressing thing. If you are making a large number of salad, then prefer making this dressing in a bottle and then close the bottle cap and shake it. Then the taste will come much better as compared to mixing in a bowl. If you want, you can add a teaspoon of honey also to add more taste to your salad. Okay, this is done, and let's add this to our salad. Okay. Now I'm going to add fresh lemon juice. I'm just taking half a lemon. If you like lemon more, then you can add full lemon juice. Now the coriander leaves. Now time to toss it. More you mix, better taste will come. Just blend everything together for a good taste. You can add more veggies also of your choice. You can add like carrots, you can add beetroot, then you can add cabbage also, you can add lettuce also. Any veggies that is available at home, I will suggest just go for it and make your salad. Okay, It's done. And now I'm adding the green chilies, which I just forgot to add. Let's mix. Foxtail millet salad is ready. Now we can serve it.